Good day everyone, especially to you sir. We are the Group 3 from BSA Animal Science 1C. In this presentation, we will be discussing the 3 hexapod orders. First is Odonata, second is Plecoptera, and the last is Platodia. This order includes dragonflies, stoneflies, and cockroach. We will cover their scientific origin, development type, antenna structure, mouth parts, and wings. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. I am ZM Hibaya. I am the first presenter of the group. So first is etymology. Odonata comes from the Greek word odious, meaning tooth. This refers to their tooth mandibles which they use to grab and tear prey. Buot pasabot, tear prey means to rip or break apart the animals they are eating. Dragonflies and damselflies are known as fast and strong predators. Next is type of development. Odonata undergo hemimetabulous development or incomplete metamorphosis. So as you can see, this picture shows the basic life cycle of the dragonfly. It starts with the egg, then develop siya into young stage that lives in water, and finally become an adult dragonfly with wings. Next is antenna type. Very short, bristle like antenna. So as you can see, this red line or kanang murag antenna jud that's called antenna, used mainly for detecting air current and movement, not for smell, and also help with flight and hunting. Next is mouth parts. So adult Odonata have strong chewing mouth parts. Their mandibles are powerful enough to crush prey instantly, and also have maxillae and labrum that help hold prey while feeding. So kani daw siya is naka-design for capturing fast-moving insect during flight. So kanang murag ngipon nga orange dira ay is mo na siya ang chewing mouth parts. So that's all, and then the next reporter.
Good day everyone, especially to you Sir David, and my topic is mouth parts. The description contrasts the mouth parts of the immature and adult form. Immature mouth parts, naiads and aquatic naiads larvae have a highly modified extendable lower lip called a labium, which is referred to as mask. This structure can be shot forward to capture fast-moving insects underwater, making them a specialized aquatic predator. Then, structure, they possess a highly modified extendable lower lip called the labium, which is commonly referred to as mask because it covers the rest of the face and mouth parts when at rest. Then sa function, the labium shoots forward rapidly to grasp and catch prey underwater, making them active aquatic predator, aquatic predators. Then sa adult mouth parts, the adult form has mouth parts adapted from terrestrial life and aerial predation. And the adult mouth sa structure, adult possesses a modified extendable mouth parts, which is still often referred to as a unique mask in some literature, although it functions differently from the naiad's labium. Then function, adult mouth parts are described as having normal chewing mouth parts, mandible, and maxillae, which are typical for insects that actively hunt and chew their prey, like flies and mosquitoes in the air. Are more specialized for aquatic predation using the projectile labile mask, while the adult have normal chewing mouthparts suited for capturing prey in fight.
Next is
Wings. The top slide explain the wings of insects like dragonflies and damselflies onada. The first pair, there are long membranous wings. They are typically held horizontally in the dragonflies or vertically over the body in damselflies when at rest. Second pair, these are also membranous and are similar in appearance to the first pair. Then the function, they are used for powerful flying, and the key feature is that the front and rear wings are independently movable, which is what make these insects excellent flyers with highly agile aerial maneuvers. Then next, etymology. The slide briefly touch on the etymology of the insect order Plecoptera, stoneflies. Plecoptera come from the Greek words phlekken, meaning folded, and plectera, meaning wings.
next.
Good day everyone, especially to you Sir David. So you can say the image, i-describe siya diha to how to develop Hemitabulus incomplete metamorphosis. The insect undergoes incomplete metamorphosis. Stage egg, nymph, adult. In this type of development, the insect hatches from an egg into a nymph, which gradually develop into an adult through a series of molt. The nymph resembles the adult but lack fully developed wings and reproductive organs. And then the next, antenna type. The insect has long mini-segmented, thread-like antennae. These antennae are highly sensitive for detecting vibration and chemical and the environment. And then there are example of antenna type or unsa ang kagamitan sa antenna type. First, smell and taste, touch, hearing, airspeed and direction, heat and moisture. So moto siya. And then the last, mouthpart. Adult have chewing type mouthpart including mandible for biting, scraping, and maxillae for manipulating food. Their diet is varied including plants and algae, with some feeding very little. Immature stage also have chewing type mouthpart used for scraping algae, detritus, or small aquatic organism. Thank you.
Next.
Good day, classmates. My name is Elmarkimi Ilarcosa, and I'm gonna explain this picture. So the first is wings. Poor wings stigmina. Ang unang pares ng pakpak ay makitid, matigas at parang leather. Nagsilbing itong protection para mas malambot na hide wings at abdomen. Sa ilang insects tulad ng crickets, ginagamit din ito para gumawa ng tunog. At sa hide wings, ang pangalawang pares ay malalaki, manipis at transparent. Ito ang nagbibigay ng lift at tumutulong sa paglipad. Nafi-fold ito ang parang pamaypay at tinatapakan ng tigmina kapag hindi lumilipad. Kaya may protection at flight ability ang insects. Etymology. So, ang blata diya ay mula sa Latin ng blata, insects na umiiwas sa ilaw o ipis. At sa Greek suffix na odia, form o grupo. Ibig sabihin, ang blata ay form ng ipis ang scientific order ng lahat ng cockroaches at termites. Ang blata ay ginagamit din bilang genus name ng mga karaniwang ipis tulad ng blata or entails. So the third is type of development. So Foraminifera development ay gradual incomplete. Metamorphosis, ang ipis ay may tatlong stages lamang. Ito ay egg, nymph at adult at walang pupal stage. Ang nymph ay kamukha ng adult pero mas maliit at hindi pa fully developed. So the first is egg. Magsimula sa eggs na nasa optica, depende sa species kung bit-bit ng female o iniwanan sa ligtas na lugar. So ang pangalawa ay sa nymph. Kamukha ng adult pero maliit, walang wings at immature. Lumalaki sa pamamagitan ng molting 5-18 molts. Dito, unting-unting lumilitaw ang wings buds. So, ang pangatlo is adult. Fully developed na may wings kung applicable, sexually mature at ang main role ay reproduction. So, yun lang. Thank you, sir.
Next.
Good day everyone, especially to you sir. My topic is antenna type, mouthparts, and wings. Antenna type: long, slender, mini-segment antenna, highly sensitive for detecting chemicals, smell, and air vibration. So, muna yung kuan sa antenna. So, ang antenna po kay makadetect na siya kuan. Makadetect na siya chemicals o air vibration. So, sensitive kayo ng antenna. Tahay na yung mga kuan na mga tahidya padulong maka-sense na sila. And mouth parts: adult mouth parts. Type: chewing type mouth parts. Key components and function: strong mandibles used to bite, chew, and process many types of food. Flexible maxillae help in handling food, allows them to be omnivorous, eat anything. Immature mouthparts is nymphs. Ang nymphs kay mali sa tong kuan kamay. Description: some chewing type mouthparts as adults, slightly smaller and less robust. So, sa kuan daw, ang sub-chewing type sa mouthparts kay sa adults kay halos mga gagmay pero kuan gahi. Wings: first pair, tagmina. Legally protective forewings cover and protect the hind wings and body. So ang first pair tagmina, ang tagmina daw kay mo siya ang ga-protect and ga-cover o ga-protect sa hind wings o sa body para dili mapatay ang kuan insect. Second pair, membranous wings used for flying, though some species rarely fly. So ang second pair, membranous wings, kay muna siya ang kuan jud sa pikas pair kay mo jud na sang kuan nang sa kangamulupad ta jud siya mga panglupad na nga kuan na ang forewings o hind wings.
So that's all. Thank you.